Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to log out your Gmail on your iPhone. Now for this, you have to visit your Gmail app. Once you're in the Gmail app, now you have to click on your icon on your profile on the top right. Once you're there, scroll to the bottom and click on Manage your account on this device. Now tap on the Google icon here. Now you have to select your email. Once you're in the email, click on the two dots on the top right of your screen. Now here you will see the Remove Account option. Click on Remove Account. And you're done. How simple was that? Easy, right? See you next time.